So you're trying to get more affiliate sales, but you don't want to have to convince or beg people to take action? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a proven 5-step process you can use right now to ensure you're able to make that happen. Let's get into the content. All right, so the first thing we're going to take a look at is the results. So that way you can know that what I'm about to teach you is something that can actually work for you if you're willing to go out there and implement what you're going to learn in this video, all right? All right, so let's get into it. So right here, you can see on my Facebook post, it says over 940 customers and counting selling one product. So this is an affiliate product, and it falls in the category of a SaaS product. So that's basically software as a service. And sometimes what these type of companies do is they'll either allow you to make money from the customers that you generate, or they'll just keep pushing back the date that, the date that you pay your bill. Now with this particular one, as you can see, 735 on my first account, and then you can see I've generated 206 customers there, right? So that's where the 940 comes from. You can see right here it says, notice my bill is not due until 2028. So that means that I have a free tool that I can continue to use to build out my brand and get more visibility, right? So there's a lot of value in that, right? Okay, so now this affiliate program, you can see I've took this picture, it says August 3rd, and you can see right here it says 97 customers, and you can see I've generated over $17,000 in sales, and then it continues to show you all of your other statistics, right? This particular affiliate program right here is a Facebook tool that allows you to remove inactive group members, and then they also have the other division, which is where you can remove inactive people on your profile. So what's the main benefit of that? That's going to help you boost up your visibility and your engagement, because you have people that are engaged rather than people who are not engaged, right? That's why you can see right here, October 2nd, you can see somebody paid $227, and I got a $68 commission from that, because their commission rate is 30% recurring. All right. And then you can see right here, 15, 37, 15, and it just continues to go. And you can see that these are all recent dates. All right. So let's take a look at another affiliate program. So this affiliate program right here is based around cleaning your email list. So you can already see the value in that. So there's a lot of people building out their list, and then they get inactive people on their list. So they want to get rid of those people. And what is that going to do? That's going to help their deliverability rate, right? So there's value in the tools. So the tip I'll give you before we continue is you want to make sure that there's value in the tool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually break down the 5-step process to you, and I'm going to go over in detail what you need to focus on. All right, so step number 1 is to find a good product, use the product, and then learn the ins and outs of the product. And this is so important for you to do, because the only real way for you to know if it's a good product, rather than looking at other people's reviews and looking at the conversion data to see if it converts well, is if you personally use the tool yourself. So that way, when you putting out the information, you coming from a genuine standpoint, all right? All right, so let's go over to ClickBank real quick, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we can see this is one of the top products right now. Now, I could be one of those people that just come over here, look at the gravity score. Okay, that's a high gravity score. The conversion is this, and the recurring bill is this. But all that shows me is the conversion data, right? So what that could mean, and I'm not saying that that's the case here, but what that could mean is that they have a great sales process to get people in, but you never know what's happening on the back end, right? And so that's why it's important for you to look at that data, yes, and then buy the product so you can understand, okay, this is what it is. It does what it says it actually does. And so that part is so important for me, because I never want to put something out there and I didn't personally test it myself and then something tragic happens. You see what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and continue. So now the next step, let's go here to step number 2. You can see it says write down who would benefit the most from the product. So this is based off like use cases. Like, what are all the different things that the product can do itself? And then also, what is the main problem that the product solves? And I'm gonna give you an example. So this product right here is called Copy.ai. Now right here, this is the main problem they solve. Say goodbye to the blank page for good. So the main problem they solve is preventing you from looking at a blank screen, allowing you to write emails faster, allowing you to write blog posts faster, allowing you to write ads faster. So that's their main problem. So that's one thing that I will write down and say, okay, this is the thing that I need to focus on in my content, even if I'm talking about the different use cases. And what do I mean by use cases? So if I go down here real quick, you'll see at the bottom of the page, it says use cases. So this is for blog writers, right? They could use it for that. They could also use it for social media managers. They can also use for email marketing and a bunch of different things in regards to digital marketing, right? So look at whatever tool that you promote in software, whatever it is, and then look at all of the different use cases, because what that does is that helps you understand the type of person who would benefit from the product the most. All right. So the next step is to find out how many people care about the problem the product solves. Now, this one right here is so important, right? So I'm gonna go over here to a tool called Ahrefs. This allows me to see how many people are searching, for the problem or the specific use case. So let's say, for instance, a person is trying to figure out what is the best affiliate tracking software. Let's just say that that's what they're looking for. Now, if a person types that into search, you got to ask yourself, why are they searching for that specific term? So obviously I can see that 70 people every single month. The traffic potential is 150. The total volume is 350. So I can see the amount of people who are searching. But the question becomes, what is it that this person really wants? Obviously they want a tracking software. Now let's switch it up, right? So if a person wants to know how to write email marketing content, let's say that they want to learn that. So if a person types this, what is it that they want to know? They want to know how to write email marketing. Now, if I could show them if I could teach them how to do email marketing, how to write their emails, and then I could show them how to do it faster than the average person, then that's going to be of value to them. You see what I mean? So we're looking at how many people are searching, and then why are they searching? Because the why are they searching is the reason that you're going to be able to make money, because you understand as they're going throughout their buyer's journey, now you understand where their mind is, right? And that part is so important for you to understand. Now, if you look right here, how to write email marketing content gets 10 searches per month. Now, I know in your mind, you probably just said 10 searches per month. What is that? The way that I look at things are long term. So I do 10 times 12, since there's 12 months in a year, that's 120 searches I could be getting every single month from targeted people, rather than just a waste of time, people who don't care about writing email marketing content. And then I could use this keyword to then position them over to something that can make me money. This is the same type of way you want to be thinking when using what I'm showing you here. All right, so now we're going to take this same keyword and I'm going to show you something real quick, because that's pretty much the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to new incognito window. I'm going to open up YouTube. And then what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to paste that same keyword right in here like that. And as you can see, it's auto populating. So that means that people are actually searching for this. So if I go ahead and search this real quick, you can see we in incognito. You can see I'm ranking #1 from a month ago. Think about this. If a person comes here and it says how to write email marketing content, or they type something similar to that, and then all of a sudden I show up right here, I then provide them value in the video. I understand where their mind is, and then I put together something that's going to help them write their emails, and then at that faster, then they're going to get value from that, right? And there's a chance that they could go ahead and click the link in the description, and I could possibly make money from that, right? And then look at it this way too. YouTube is a platform that you can create something one time and have that consistently make you money week after week, month after month, year after year, right? And so that's where the power is with this particular platform. But a lot of what I just talked about are things that you could do on any platform. You just have to find different ways to make these steps that I'm showing you work. All right, so let's go back over here to the Google Doc real quick. So this is create content that shows how the product solved the problem they were experiencing. When you create this content, you have to structure that content differently, right? So if you just structure the content and you don't hit on the main problem that the product solves, which is what I was showing you up here, if you don't hit on this while you're going over the use case, then you might as well just say that that video is a waste of time. So for example, in the video that I did where I was talking about the best virtual phone system for small business, in that video, I not only show them the tool that helps them, but I also talk about the main reason why they would want to use the tool, which is going to save them time, right? And so not all business owners can get to their phone every single time, but if you got an automated system that, pretty much automates the process of you generating sales or you generating leads, then then now you can focus on what you're really good at, right? So you always want to think about what is the main problem that the product solves. Now, the next step is to make sure make sure you're the first person they see when they go searching, right? So like I just showed you, let's go back to the incognito browser real quick. I'm going to show you another one. So the first one I showed you was how to write email marketing content, right? So I positioned that to be able to make me money. So another one that I did was best affiliate tracking software. Okay, so when somebody types that in, as you can see it right there, when they type that in, boom, you can see that my video is ranking #1. When somebody comes here, if that's what they're looking for, they're clicking on the video and you making yourself the first person, right? So what does that do immediately? That creates authority, and they look at it like, man, okay, this person knows exactly what I want. And as long as you deliver the value to them, they're going to take action as long as it's the problem that they have. Now, if you want to learn the exact process I use to consistently rank my content up at the top of the search engines and consistently sell products, go ahead and click the first link down below in the description. That's going to take you through my 6-part video training course. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.